We got a bunch of penetrators. Pause. I hope y'all warmed up. Oh, he came to win. You know, many people right now, they're concerned about how to read Arabic without harakat. What about how to read Arabic without dots?
It started with a young man that just wanted to understand the Quran. And now, it's a global movement you'll probably want to be a part of. This is Mohammed Al-Andalusi on tour across 4 cities in Australia. September 2025. Behind the scenes, raw, unscripted, on the road. Welcome to the Arabic Revival 360 tour.
I am the captain now! Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu anhu says here, he says, لا تعلموا رطانات الأعاجم. Don't learn the language, the foreign languages that are not Arabic. فإن الرجل إذا تعلمها خب. Because the man, when he learns it, he becomes corrupted. No shot at all. He ain't got no shot. Where's the referees? No referees?
It was him. It was him. So he goes back in.
They pushed me. Didn't they push me? It's showtime. Showtime, boy. Hey!
I ain't never done any in my life. I am my clothes many times. I'm a perfectionist. So, and sometimes women to take, it's not the best efficient. They're not the most efficient.
Women aren't the most efficient.
Well, sometimes I gotta leave the house quickly and I get it, like, oh, the love, and I gotta go. I gotta go, sister. Can you
Help me or not?
hurry up a little bit? So you know, like usually men will go like. Sisters, they there, like, oh, love, and Bismillah, Bismillah. Like, bro, like, yo, sister, I gotta go. I'll hit you with the.
Just in an emergency, pull that out and the motor stops. It does come to a slow stop, basically the same as neutral.
Got you.
Any questions?
Where are the life vests?
They're under the hatches here.
Okay. I know how to swim, but I don't think these guys know how to swim.
No one's
He's
ever
from
pulled
London,
off,
he's from New York. So you guys don't swim over there.
Alright, what I'll get you to do is just tick down the boxes here, put your name and signature at the bottom, if that's okay.
Are you ready to die in... Wait, what?
Signing your life away.
Shining his life away, man. They got him. They got him.
Oh!
That's alright, just leave it there, it's okay. So when you're ready, full speed now.
Thank you. I ain't even signed up for this. I am the captain now. Bro, I'm the captain now. Oh! Shit. Oh, my brother. Shit. You're not supposed to go in the middle of the bridge. You go in the middle of the bridge, you're going to be in a not safe place. يا باش طيب نزلنا هنا يا باشا نزلنا هنا يا باشا The basketball is easy. Easy work, man. My knee. My knee. You don't realize they don't know how to play basketball.
Oh, my knee.
They don't know how to play with the brother of Paul Gasol.
Turn. Just my knee. Yeah?
The little one, the Adria Gasol. Like, we've been in the game for a long time. This brother has me right now. How tall are you? I say 6'5". He said, wow, man. I said, yeah. You know, guys don't realize I'm a ball player. I don't look like it. No, we gonna eat. You gonna eat tonight.
Just leave it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it at all. My knee.
You heard this riwayah? Abul Aswad. These were the beginning of the dots. You know, many people right now, they're concerned about how to read Arabic without harakat. What about how to read Arabic without dots? The Arab, they used to read without dots. So Abul Aswad here, he says, he brought a writer or somebody to write for him. He says إذا رأيتني قد فتحت فمي بالحرف يعني A فانقض نقطة أعلاه, then put a dot on top. Umar ibn Khattab رضي الله عنه says here, he says لا تعلموا الرطانات الأعاجم, don't learn the language, the foreign languages that are not Arabic. فإن الرجل إذا تعلمها خب, because the man, when he learns it, he becomes corrupted. ولا تلبسوا لباسهم, and don't wear their clothes. واخشوشينوا, and roughen up. واخلوليقوا, and wear clothes that are balia, that are like, bali is like old clothes, i.e. don't try and always be fresh and like designer and madresh. Huh? Fresh Jordans and the Air Forces. You step on my Air Forces, man. Like, chill out, man. You're not gonna take them Air Forces in your grave, brother.
How many fights started because of Air Force? Like, you step on someone's Air Force? How many fights got started?
And then Umar ibn Khattab, he says, فَإِنَّكُمْ مَعْدِيُّونَ, because he reminds the Arab that you guys are ma'diyun, from ma'ad, from the asl of the Arab. That you guys are Arab. Don't try and go to these other foreign languages, all these Greek languages and all this stuff. Just stick to your Arabic language, or you're gonna be corrupted. Do not learn the jargon of non-Arabs. Hey, look. Now he lost his phone. It's in my pocket. Look at him. Look at those stupid. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at those silly. Look at him. Look at him wasting time. Just because he lost his phone. His phone is here, akhi.
The phone, I think yeah.
Yeah, but yeah. Now record him looking all stupid coming back. Now look at his face. Look at how stupid coming back. Look at him. Look at him. Looking all lost. Look at him. See? He can't go left at any moment. I know for a fact yesterday I gave my bag to someone. And I say, grab this real quick.
That was a video, right?
All of a sudden the bag is not there anymore. Last time I went to a barbershop, it was probably years ago. I cut my own hair.
You cut your own hair?
Yeah.
I gotta get like
Okay, count how many haircuts you get now.
yeah.
And count that per year.
I get a haircut maybe every 3 months. Yeah, hey, right?
Yeah, but how much is that per year?
How much is that per year?
A
Every
good
3 months, right?
$200 or something, right? You pay how much? $50 for a
About
cut?
160, yeah.
$60 for a cut?
No, I say about 160. If you do everything in total. About 200,
Oh.
I guess you can round it to be 200.
$160. Well, you invest that. Imagine if you invest that in stocks. Let's say you do 160 times in 10 years, that's 1,600. If I invest $160 every year into the stock market on average, what will be my portfolio looking like in 10 years? You spend those $160 instead of cutting your hair, in 10 years you got $2,200.
Every quarter behind the scenes, what makes Muhammad al-Andalusi have this much energy to run Andalus Institute? Before Allah Azza wa Jal, these the things that most people don't do. The boring stretches in the morning, in the night, you know. These are the things that get your blood circulated in your body, gives you energy to continue your day, not make you sluggish.
Is the pre-match meal.
Pre-workout.
Pre-workout meal.
Protein.
My Jace, Jordans,
What are those?
They call them skin. There's a brother, he said, you got skins? Like skins, I guess you mean these.
Oh, the tights.
And now I'm learning the Australian. The other day, a brother, he said, you know, there's a lot of blokes around here that, like blokes, they mean people, or dudes.
قول الصوارم كي تسترد المظالم حتى الأراضي نسام وشغل أهل للعزائم
ما باخي جزاك الله خير شيخ.
كي تسترد المظالم حتى الأراضي رسول أهل العزائم.
Have fun with it. So what I would say is I don't know how they play. So let's start slowly learning them. And on the last two we start pushing.
All of them are going to want to try score.
Right. I've seen them already.
Say on defense. Defense screen? Yeah. On defense, we'll all play man to man, but we have to help each other because they're going to be aggressive.
For sure.
They're going to be aggressive.
Yeah. And to be honest, they're talking about 4 fouls, bro. I better foul them dudes. You better.
Be there to help.
Yeah.
Let's be physical.
You recording now? You recording? Oh!
Beautiful.
I hope y'all warmed up. I see him sweating and everything, man. Oh, he came to win. Yeah. So what do we got? We got a bunch of.
You want to go jump? You want to jump up?
No, you jump, bro. No, you jump, bro.
I already said from the beginning. Hey, what is this? Please get
Well, I'm gonna get Sheikh Bahdun. We got a bunch of penetrators. Pause. Alright, comment down. Nah, comment down, man. No shot at all. He ain't got no shot. Alright, comment down. Where's the referees? No referees? Oh, they running. Boy, they're running.
Box out! Oh. What? Not me, it was him. It was him. So he goes back in.
They pushed me. Didn't they push me? I found myself lying on the court. And then I was like, man, it's tough for them now, man. I don't. Certain things is just better to stay away if you can't control your nerves on it. I'm just a trash talker, you know? When you trash talk, you don't know what you say sometimes. I got my man. Huh? I got it. Let me see.
Oh my!
It's showtime, boy. Hey! Oh! My knee. My knee. Oh, my knee.
Alright, where you feeling?
Choose my knee. Yeah.
But like, wait,
Just leave it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it at all. My knee. Yeah.
Give it time. Whenever you can, we'll lift you up. Just roll your weight on the left side. We'll walk you up. Jerry's a really big man.
I'm good. Let me breathe a little bit.
Give space. Trust.
Yeah, I can continue to play. I need to chill now. Woo! Never felt this. Wow. Yeah, I can continue. I wish I could continue, but
you want to sit on the bench? Take the quarter out.
Put your left leg down. Get up strong.
Left deck, yeah. Let me sit on this bench here.
sit for definitely need some ice. Yeah. At least you got the highlight, Bilal. You got the highlight. I say, khalas, we got what we. You know the thing is, as you can see, I had a motorcycle accident.
Okay.
So this knee, that was like 5-6 years ago.
Yeah.
But this knee always became weaker since the accident.
When you just stood up then,
Yeah.
could you put any weight? I'm not asking you to, but could you put any weight on your leg? Like when you
I can, yeah.
Did you? And then
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Where did you feel the pain? From the outside, the inside, or?
It's inside of here and somewhere behind internal, but it's mostly. I feel it here and here.
Put some weight on that walk up and down, see if you know. I try helping you for something.
Does it feel like it's
Oh,
deep
it's hurt a
inside?
little bit now. Yeah, it's deep inside. Definitely. Oh man, that was the first, first play too. No, y'all continue playing, man. I'm out. I'm out.
Ice is behind you.
I did my askar, so hopefully it's not in. Just old age. في خير إن شاء الله. حصل خير. So what happens, man. قدر الله ما شاء فعل. I'm happy that it happened. Happy that it happened. وأن يؤمن بالقدر خيره وشره. So good, man. I'm just thinking, man, I need to get to this bed as soon as possible because
To bed?
it's gonna start. Get to the bed to lay down because I know it's gonna start hurting in a little bit. يا سلامات يا أخي يا باشا. I'm telling you, all great players, you know, always first play. That's when they hurt themselves. You know, the thing is, my mind is on some elite level. My body in there. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Learning Arabic sentence by sentence. How do you say, I broke my leg? كسرت رجلي. كسرت رجلي. At least I'm winning. That's what I'm happy about. If you didn't win, you know, you can't. At least you live with some aura.
Nah, if they win by 2 points,
It's all him.
it's all him.
Literally.
Yeah, if they win by 2 points.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. How you doing, Sheikh? Oh, good. Inshallah. أهلا وسهلا. You good? In Malaysia?
Malaysia.
MashaAllah. Nice. You good? Assalamu alaikum. Okay. Jazakallah khairah.
Yeah, right?
Oh, good. Oh, good. Alhamdulillah. Telling you, man. Right now it hurts less. I took paracetamol. Some brothers, alhamdulillah, they brought me some crutches. And I'm here preparing the khutbah for today. This is next morning after twisting my knee. So it does feel like it's a little swollen. I think the pain is being killed now by the painkiller. But yeah, man, this was yesterday was the first day of the tour, literally. And we twisted our leg. So again, reminder to ourselves to not get distracted. What we're trying to do here is revive the Arabic language. As I'm preparing the khutbah for today, I'm going through all of these aqwal and all of these sayings of the Salaf, of the Sahaba. And subhanAllah, it's just reinforcing my love for the Arabic language, for what we do at Andalus Institute and teach the Arabic language. So I hope that you guys are going to watch in the next vlog the khutbah. Perhaps we're going to upload the khutbah on its own. And I hope that you guys get motivated and that don't get distracted by all the entertaining clips of what we actually trying to remind ourselves here, which is how important the Arabic language is for the Muslim. And the Sahaba, those who Allah Azza wa Jal was pleased with them, they seen it as part of the religion, not as some extra field of knowledge, not as a secondary thing to do, but to the point where Al-Imam Malik, he said, لا أوتي برجل يفسر كتاب الله غير عالم بلغة العرب إلا جعلته نكالا. Basically, if they bring me a man who is translating, talking about the book of Allah Azza wa Jal, and he doesn't know the Arabic language, I will harshly punish him. Imam Malik radiallahu anhu. So stay focused, learn the Arabic language, and push your children to learn the Arabic language, because that's what will give you access to what will protect your iman, which is knowledge. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. See you on the next one.